This is a brand new 2014 Nissan Xterra. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 4.0-liter V6, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a double wishbone independent front suspension, skid plates, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front multi-stage airbags, a first aid kit, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, and an auxiliary power outlet. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Thank you for considering the Larson Automotive Group, serving the Northwest for over 58 years. Come see why we are the largest automotive group in Washington State.